Hello? Excuse me, sir?
What are you even wanting from me, boy? Speak up, son.
I don't really know, sir. I don't know where I am.
Well, warping dimensions is a serious crime, son.
What? What?
You're a foreigner. You're from another dimension.
I'm an American. You speak English too, right?
Aye, I speak English, but I've never heard of that land.
Where are you from?
I'm from nowhere. I'm the essence of nothingness. I am what I am not.
How is that possible? How are you here?
I couldn't tell you, son.
How old are you?
I've lived perpetually.
So, forever?
I guess you could put it that way in your language, boy.
Have you met other people?
Ah, yes, I've met some of your philosophers. Socrates and that crew.
What? That's crazy. Hey, you okay? What's going on?
It's time for you to go, boy. I've got a feeling it's time for you to get back to your own dimension.
You can get me back?
Aye, but you must do one thing first.
What do I have to do?
You must overcome your greatest fear.
That's it?
It's a lot harder than you'd think, boy. What is your greatest fear, actually? Dragons? Bad hair day?
No, nothing like that.
Well, speak up. We haven't got much time.
Well, my biggest fear is death, dying.
Ah, the fate of mortal man. Amor fati.
What does that mean?
It means love your life, boy. Don't curse it. Appreciate the way you are.
Okay.
You don't understand, boy. Your beliefs are rigid determinism.
How so?
You believe you control your own fate, don't you? That you're in control of your own destiny.
Yeah, I believe that.
You'd be home now if you did. Look, boy, just remember, whenever in search of answers, think of how you got here.
How I got here? I was sucked in through my TV.
No, boy. What did you do specifically?
I created a visual paradox. I committed the ultimate fallacy.
Righto. Always remember, boy, being wise means knowing that you know nothing. Damn teenagers.